welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by, but make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday like clockwork. And we're back. Just a quick video. It's been a while since I've done a favorites, but I have to show you guys my favorite blush. Hence the pink makeup, the blush. It's so good. So I have some powder blushes, cream, an OG blush, and two trios that I think you guys should absolutely pick up. I love them so much. They're so good. And sometimes you don't want to blush, but sometimes the blush makes the look. If you know, you know. But if you guys are ready to get into my current and all-time favorite blushes, keep on watching. I gathered some of my favorite blushes, and then I saw this in my old, I have too many makeup bags, but this one is so, look how beat up it is. It's beat up. It's been through some things. I believe I hit pan. But I feel like this is my first ever favorite blush in life. It's such a good neutral blush. I don't know, but I love it. This is the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in Party. And I didn't even buy this one. I actually got this as a birthday gift from Ulta. You know what? I think it was Ulta. Yeah, had to be. Because I feel like Sephora don't even be giving you full size nothing. But it might have been. I might have used points. Either way, I got this for free. And I love this blush. I still use it sometimes. It probably expired a zillion years ago. But don't watch that. It's still such a really, really pretty blush. I love it. So that one I had to throw in an honorable mention because I loved it years ago. I love it today. I used it recently, probably last month, and it was just. Now I have three cream blushes that I do really like. I love them. I do. I'll start with the one I'm wearing now. This is the Morphe Euphoric Crush.
Nope.
And this is a 3-in-1 silk blush. I don't know what that means, but this is in the shade Pleasured. I actually got this in an Ulta haul, but it's really pink. It's extremely creamy. I'm actually wearing this one right now. What I like to do is take a brush right to the middle, place it on the apples of my cheeks, do a little, a little, and then blend it out with my finger. I just feel like the warmth of your finger really makes it blend out. You can absolutely build this up. Oh my God, can you build it up? So it's up to you if you want to put it down before your foundation. I'm actually just wearing the Skin Tint by Milk Makeup because it's really light and I really like it, but you can build up coverage. So I think if you want to put it under your foundation or a skin tint, you absolutely could. I personally don't like that. I need it at the end. I do. But super pigmented. It's really creamy. It does not move your makeup or your base because I also use this on my She Glam Compression Pro, which is matte. Okay, it is. I did a versus with the Fenty, and it is absolutely a dupe if you want to call it that, but it's great and I love it so much. That's super matte. It does not move my makeup, and this is one of my favorite pink blushes ever. Again, this is in the shade Pleasured, but I also have Addicted. And this one is more like a coral peachy blush. As you can see, I have used this as well. I really like it if I'm going for a more neutral look, pretty much. I don't know, more neutral, not so much pink, but I really do. I love a peachy blush. And this is more on the peachy side rather than coral. Coral will be a little bit darker, but I really love this. Again, these are both Morphe Euphoric Crush. Euphoric Rush, excuse me, can't read today. 3-in-1 silk blushes, but they're really good. It's Morphe, so I can't see them being super expensive. A little goes a long way. I've been using this every single Tuesday I go into the office. I've been using it for a few months, and when I've done my makeup, I think I used this on the last look as well, when I was just talking to you guys, getting makeup. I know I said there will be a vlog again. It'll be back to make a vlog. Please, I'm going on vacation, so I gotta do this. But I've been using this a lot, and it's still really, really good. Don't let it intimidate you, because if you see it up close, there's like, it looks like maybe like clear, like a petroleum jelly base kind of thing. It's not greasy. It doesn't move your makeup. It's actually really, really, really beautiful. So there's those two. Next, I have this Liss Beauty High Standard Satin Matte Cream Blush in the shade Confident. Now this one, first of all, I like Liss Beauty, L-I-S Liss. I don't know how to say it, but their bronzer ran that baby down. Now this is a deeper, more like a mauve toned blush. It's really, really pretty. Let's swatch it for you guys. I think I got it, I don't know what I got it in, but this is really nice. If you don't like a super pinky blush, can you guys see it? See, like, it's cute, it's subtle, it's nice. It's a cream, but it is matte. So it's not shiny, as you guys can see. Like, it's not showing any shine. I'm looking for a paper towel. I'm gonna rub it on my leg. It's not super shiny. It goes on smooth. Again, it does not disturb your base makeup, and that's one of the reasons I really, really like it. And I really like the packaging. I don't want to show the mirror, but there's like a magnet on it too. Ooh, I love me a good magnet. So there's that. Just a quick video, y'all. I have a dark one. I've not used this, but it is here. So this is deep, okay? It's like a similar shape, but it's super deep. But this one is really, this is like a high shine. So pigmented is all hell. So going lightly. I haven't used this one yet, but I saw it here and I want to show you guys, and we just watch it together. I actually got this one from my aunt. She sent me some stuff. So this is the IT Cosmetics Glow with Confidence Sun Blush. This, I would say, like deeper skin tones, you can rock it lightly. For me, I would try it. Always with cream blushes, I would go in lightly at first and see how much coverage you want to build up or the color pay off, and just keep going, but be careful, lightly. We're almost at the end, but I have to talk about this. This is the Pure Cosmetics Medium Tan 4-in-1 Skin Perfecting Powders. This is a face palette, but it has a beautiful blush inside. And it's a coral blush. Do you see that? It's so, so, so beautiful. I believe I first used this blush when I did my peach rings look. By the way, I want to bring back light candy. I want to get back to my old style videos where I did really, really creative makeup for you guys on hand, like on screen, based on like the candy. That's one of my favorite series. It's so good. I got reposted by Sour Patch Kids. I got reposted by Gushers. So if you think of any really cute creative candies, write them in the comments below. So I want to bring it back, and this blush just brought me back to that. But it's such a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous blush. Coral blushes, I think, like peachy coral blushes, it's actually pretty similar to this one, to be honest. This one's probably like a little bit more on the peachy side, but it's so pretty. It's so, so, so beautiful. You guys probably can't even see it. It's there. But it's so pretty. I love it so much. Great on so many different skin types, let me tell you. And for darker skin, don't be afraid of the pinks. The pinks look great on you guys too. Look so good. Pinks, corals, like, you just have to know what works for you and how much blush you want. But I don't know. I don't even know if they still make this. I probably got this in BoxyCharm or something. But this, one of my all-time favorites. Is so gorgeous. Gorgeous. Ugh. Right. And the last set of blush is a blush trio. And this one surprised the holy shit out of me. Okay? So this is the She Glam Sweet Cheeks Blush Trio. If you guys remember, I did a whole She Glam makeup haul. And trying to did a whole makeup look. I just want to say that your girl, me, if you didn't know what I was talking about, is a She Glam insider. So you will see, I might be wearing the same dress, mind your business. But you will see a She Glam unboxing because I got my first insider gift and I chose a collection, and I'm so excited. Also, why I did this look, because that collection, I believe I chose Adventure Time, and I'm just feeling real Princess Bubblegum. All right, y'all so crazy. Thank you though. Thank you. I was like, yeah. Wow. All right, so let's get into this blush trio. Oh! Do you see it? This one I can pull back. So I think this blush trio has something for every single skin tone. If you're really, really fair and you don't like the pink blushes, you can go into this really, really light neutral blush. This one, it's like really pink. But you can go into this really, really light pale blush. I don't even know how to show you guys. Look at my finger. It's pale, but it still has some pinky, peachy undertones. So very, very subtle, will look very beautiful. Right here we have another. This one is a little bit more warm, going towards the peachy side. And we have a super pink one at the end. That's yeah. These two don't look, yeah. So pretty. This one absolutely surprised me. Again, with blush, you kind of want to build it up to what you want, but this is such a good, inexpensive blush trio. If you don't know what kind of blush you like, you want to try out a few different kinds of blushes, I would say go for this. If you're a makeup artist and you want to have a few on hand that could work for everyone, definitely pick this up. But it's so good. Let's get into my look because my blush is blushing. It's cute, but this, I still reach for it. I got this. We don't want to talk about when I pick things up because I'm sure that they've expired. But this was so good. It really, really shocked me. You guys already know how I feel about She Glam's concealer and foundation. So just trust me. And my skin is sensitive. So don't think because it's inexpensive it's really bad for you. Like, you guys still get like LA Girl and stuff. Calm down. But this blush trio, I think you need it. I think you need it. This one, the coral is gorgeous, but it is actually very similar to this one. I just thought about it. So yeah, but that is it for this video, guys. Just a quick video to show you guys my favorite blushes. I've done a highlight one. I'm trying to get more of my favorites out to you guys. I can probably do like an eyeshadow palette favorites. I'm getting blush all over myself. But I think we know what palette's gonna be in there. You gotta say it with me. Zulu palette, of course it is. The Juvia's Place Zulu palette is one of my all-time favorite palettes. But I have lots of palettes to get through to try, so maybe that could change. Let me know in the comments down below, what favorites do you want to see? What is your favorite blush? Do you have one? What is it? Let's talk about it. Do you prefer a cream blush or a powder? Do you like a matte blush or like a blush with a shine? What do you like? Let me know in the comments down below and we can talk about it. You can also write me on Instagram. I respond if you're not a weirdo and say weird things. Ask anybody. I do respond. So talk to me. Engage with me. And propose so we can get engaged. But that is it, guys. If you liked the video, like the video. And if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday like clockwork. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time.